In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple banana and walnut protein smoothie that will fill you up with the essential nutrients that you need to help you feel full and sustained so that you can get on with your day. I will also explain the health benefits of having this healthy smoothie as part of a regular diet and how simple it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling snack consists of only 6 simple ingredients that can be found at home or in your local grocery store. And these ingredients consist of half a cup of walnuts, 1 apple, 1 to 2 scoops of protein powder, 1 banana, half a cup of ice cubes, and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Once you've all these ingredients prepared, you can add all the contents to a blender and mix until you have a consistent and creamy texture. And then it's as simple as that, it'll be ready to go instantly. So this is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised at how good it will taste. That will get your day off to a great start, satisfy your appetite, and will leave you feeling fully energized. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.